Uzbekistan, Jogos Paralímpicos, e Maioria, e das Natações.
Winner, becoming one representing France, Loïc Boudigier. Boudigier qualifies for the bronze medal contest in the final. Next contest on the becoming one is semi-final under 78 kilograms category. In blue from Slovenia, Meta Rodriguez. In white representing Croatia, Carla Prodan.
Medalha de